Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of the Christmas house tour for 2022. Thank you for subscribing. And part 1 will be linked down below in the description box if you haven't seen it. And yeah, this is everything that I haven't shown in part 1 because this is everything I've done since part 1. So yeah. Okay, let's get started. This is gonna be the outside lights. They're twinkling. It's a chilly, drizzly night. Definitely feels like the holidays. For sure. Okay, so we have these bushes done. So that is that. Okay, I'm gonna show you these bushes. They're so pretty. We put more lights in these bushes this year than we've ever done. We have the snowflake lights over there. I hope it doesn't start raining again. Oh gosh. It's been like drizzling and like light raining all day. So pretty. This little bush has lights too. And then of course the reindeer. We put more lights on the reindeer, on the body and the legs this year. So beautiful. Okay, now the candy canes. I love these candy canes with the gumdrop lights. So pretty. And they come all the way down the sidewalk. So gorgeous. Okay, let me show you the front of the house. The mat. Baby, it's cold outside. We've had this for years. And the front of the house has the lights on the door and of course the wreath. And then above it is the nativity scene. So nice. Absolutely stunning. Let me hop over here and show you these bushes here. Lights over here. And these bushes. So pretty. Okay, guys, let's go back inside. So the only new thing in this area would be this wreath. We put her there. And then what was here, we moved upstairs or somewhere else. So I'm only gonna be showing like the stuff that we rearranged or changed. So yeah. We put these pillows here. These are from Target from like 10 years ago. And then we put a lot of new stuff over here. So these berries are all from Target. We added those. These berries are from Target. Now these are this year. And then these, so pretty, like frosted. They're really, really pretty. Let me put the light on so you can see better. There we go. So yeah, so these are all from Target. These berries and then the frosted pines with the berries. So pretty, I love those. That's so pretty. This snow globe we actually got out from the cabinet. This we've had for maybe 20 years with the polar bears. Let's see, yeah, there we go. That's so pretty. I think this might be from Hallmark, I think. Okay, what else do we have here? Oh, there's some new stuff in here. Let it snow. So I moved this from over there to over here. You're gonna see why in a second. If you haven't seen my Dollar Tree haul that I posted last night, check that out if you want to see everything in like all these new things in detail. This we moved from the bathroom door to here. And you're gonna see why in a second. We replaced this bulb because one of these bulbs were cracked. So we replaced it with a new one, and then we put this welcome here. All these big boards are from Dollar Tree. Okay, now upstairs. Joy to the World. That is new. I'm gonna unzip this jacket because it's getting kind of warm in here. It's cold outside, but warm in here. Joy to the World. And then it's Home for the Holidays. I think that was downstairs and now it's here, I believe. And what else? This was all from last time. These are new. Merry Christmas for the gnomes. Season's Greetings. And yeah, this is the new one we put for the bathroom. From Dollar Tree. Sleigh rides. Kris Kringle sleigh rides. Horse-drawn at 25 cents. This one we moved from the bedroom to here. Okay, let's do my room and then we'll end with the living room. So we added this. Farm Fresh Christmas trees. Cut and carry. That's new. This is new. Family owned Christmas trees. Let's put the light on so you can see better. There we go. And let's see, is there anything else new? No, I think that's it. Oh, right, the pillow. So this pillow from Dollar Tree. It's not really Christmassy, but I bought it, so it's new. And you've seen all that before in part one, so. Okay, I'm just gonna do all the ones that are, new. Okay, this is new, Home for the Holidays. And again, part one is linked down below if you wanna see like everything that I'm going through quickly in this video. That's because it was in part one, so. Definitely check out part one to see everything else in detail. Like all of this in detail, but this is new. That's new. I'm just gonna quickly go over in this video, but just if you want the details, part one down below. Okay, Santa's Elves See Everything. That's new. Merry Christmas. Candy Cane Lane. Santa's Workshop. Joy to the World. Gnome for the Holidays. And then of course these lights on this wall is all new as well. All those lights are new. Oh, and then of course this lantern that lights up. It's a fake candle lantern. And then my favorite thing I got was this faux fireplace thing with batteries. So cute. Obsessed with that. That is everything. So yeah, I think that's everything, you guys. It's all the new stuff. And the bathroom is all the same as it was in part one. But yeah, that's everything. That's part one and part two. Part one will be linked down below. Check that out when this video is over. My Dollar Tree haul to see everything in detail, the new stuff. I hauled it in certain detail in yesterday's video. And yeah, thanks for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas. Thanks for subscribing. Until next time. Bye, guys.